Hey, what's going on YouTube? David here, back at you with another quick video. I just cut the grass, looks fresh, can't wait to show it to you. Now this is going to be a quick video because we're actually getting a lot of rain, so I won't be doing too much with the yard here. So let's check it out real quick. Tell me what you think. All right, so I'm going to take you up at the front, actually the back part of it. If you haven't seen my last video, definitely check that out first. I just cut the grass, took it down to about an inch and a half, maybe a little bit over that, so you can kind of gauge and reference that last video. Nice and short, how we like it. All right, so you can see, guys, a little dry spot there. Got a little rain today, so it helped out, so we can really see what the yard looks like. Kind of do a panorama for you. There's definitely some high spots, so you can see right over there. High spot, we scalped it. High spot, look at all these scalp marks, guys. I didn't really pick up the clippings because I want to have a little more nitrogen retention. Next time, I'll definitely pick it up. Here's another high spot, guys. It's okay, it'll come back. All right, I'm gonna show you the money shot here. Edged it. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful yard. Walk a little bit over here. Here's another really high spot. I've chopped the shit out of that right here. That's okay, it'll come back. Look at that, guys, it's beautiful. Take it a little bit further away. Bottom part of the yard is flawless. And then we got up there where the sun hits it, it's struggling. That's okay, it still looks good. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think I should do next to it. My plan is to put a little liquid fertilizer down with some sea kelp, help it grow a little bit better. Let me know what you think of the yard. Let me know what you think of the height. It's about 1 3/4 inches, so right between 1.5 and 2 inches. All right, let's go check out the problem areas here. See, just still fighting this area right here. It's getting better though. Let's go over here, guys. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. See if I get lucky this time. Oh, I got it. Okay. All right, guys, what you think? Looks good? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I'm at 900 subscribers. Thank you so much. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be awesome. That'd be a blessed day for me. Let me know what you think I should do next to the yard. I will show you the backyard eventually. I'm just waiting for the urine spots and a couple other things to heal. So stay tuned for that. And I got some more great videos. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.